Welcome back to the ArborScope demonstration channel. This is a quick tutorial video on how to move a tree within your ArborScope inventory. As we zoom in on this map, we notice that number 978 appears to be planted in the soccer field. Well, we know for a fact that's not where that tree is. It's actually supposed to be right here, this Norway spruce. Sometimes when you're out collecting data, your GPS goes a little wonky, but that's okay. We can very easily fix it within the database. So what we're going to do is click on number 978. We're going to go to the View More Details. A new tab's going to open. Come up here to the location information, click View. Pan over to the right with our gray pencil. We're going to click on that. Come over to Edit on Map. Now you're going to notice here is our tree point, and here are the existing tree points for reference. So all we have to do is click and drag, and we can bring over our tree to where it's supposed to be. And as you notice, when I click and drag, these latitudes and longitudes are changing. And when we land it, we hit Submit, and now our tree is successfully updated within the inventory. We can come up here to our map view, and let's just double check to make sure it's where it's supposed to be. So when we zoom in, there it is, number 978, planted where it's supposed to be. Keep in mind that if you ever have issues with the map loading during this move a tree process, make sure that you're working in Firefox. That typically is the best browser to have the best performance when using with ArborScope. Well, that was a quick tutorial video on how to move a tree within your ArborScope inventory.